Welcome to Dynamic Circuit. We are going to test Schneider Altivar drive is originally unable to power on. After we repair, you can see here the ready command is here. We are going to on under local mode. We are going to test with motor. We set at 50 Hz frequency here, local mode. You can see here the motor is running very smoothly. Successfully we have repaired Schneider electrical Altivar drive using in industries. Please visit for your industrial repair solution Dynamic Circuit. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching these videos.